Hello, my name is Prabjeet Gill. I am an Indian qualified lawyer. I specialize particularly in company law and Indian employment laws, and especially laws applicable to employees of a company in particular. I have authored formally, and this is now a commercial publication. The title of the book is Legal Framework of Human Resource Management, and this book actually came about as work that we had done for and a company with some 100-200 employees. In our experience, what we learned is that HR managers, whether out of the best business school in India or abroad, are taught various aspects of human resource management in particular, and a lot of the management side, but they lack the aspect of how and what is the legislative framework governing employees of an organization, and this is an entire framework. It's a huge framework that I'm talking about over here. It starts with issuing of appointment letters, signing of a contract of employment, what is the legal sanctity of an employment bond in particular, how many months is a legally valid probation period, and all of this clubbed with the aspect of an employee in India, the aspect of a workman, what differentiates the two. In India, a lot of the software engineers are workmen and they're not employees, which many of these HR managers actually are not aware of. Tomorrow, and what happens then is that they have issues with respect to employees, and it typically the issue is with respect to the employment contract. Now the employment contract is not drafted well, and then it boils down to who's a workman and who's not a workman, because in India workmen have protection under law whereas employees do not, and employees are governed by the contract of employment per se. And so these are various things that we have been working with HR managers, trying to educate them on what the legal framework is. Finally, I decided to come out with an official publication, and this book is in a way in creating awareness and in order to help HR managers of companies as to what governs their employees in order to avoid any legal issue tomorrow, and invariably there will be some issue or the other. The second part of the book talks of various legislation that are applicable to employees of an organization. It starts with basic legislations, and Indian parlance we call it the social security legislations, like employees have it abroad. But this is what it talks about. It starts with basic legislation like the Provident Fund Act, Employee State Insurance Act, its applicability. Then the Gratuity Act, where is it applicable, when is it not applicable? The Maternity Benefit Act, especially applicable to women employees who are expecting in particular. Then there is the Bonus Act, lots of legislations that govern bonus in particular that needs to be given to an employee. So on and so forth. And then there's the Standing Order Act again. So these are various legislation that are applicable to employees of an organization. Again, HR managers have it difficult to understand what these legislations are and what their applicability is in what situation. That's what the book primarily covers. Like I said even earlier, that this basically it came out as a concept to help HR managers in making them understand everything that is applicable to an employee of an organization. So this book is available on all online retailers. Go get yourself a copy.